Hello, my wonderful friends, and a massive welcome back to Mr. English Talks. It is so great to have you here with me today. We're going to talk about something that touches every single one of our lives, something that can cause a lot of confusion and heartache if we're not careful. We're talking about friendship. True friends are one of life's greatest gifts. They are the family we choose. They lift us up, they stand by us, and they make our lives brighter. But what about the other kind? The ones who drain our energy, who make us doubt ourselves, the ones we call fake friends? Today, we are going to uncover the 8 clear signs of a fake friend. This isn't about encouraging you to be suspicious or to judge people harshly. No, this is about empowering you with clarity. It's about protecting your precious energy and your peace of mind. So, if you've ever had a friendship that left you feeling confused, drained, or undervalued, this video is for you. Let's begin. I want you to think about a friend I had. Let's call her Sarah. On the surface, Sarah was amazing. She was fun. She was popular. And when we were together in a group, it felt like we were the best of friends. But I started to notice a pattern. I noticed that I always felt a little bit worse about myself after spending time with her. I felt this quiet, sinking feeling in my stomach. It took me a long time to understand why. You see, true friendship should feel like a safe harbor in a storm. It should feel like coming home. But a fake friendship feels like you're constantly walking on a tightrope, trying to keep your balance, afraid that one wrong move will make you fall. If you have a friendship that feels more like a tightrope than a safe harbor, pay close attention to these 8 signs. Sign number 1, the one-way street. This is the most common sign. Friendship is a two-way street. It's about give and take. But with a fake friend, it's always a one-way street heading in their direction. They are always there for you when they need something. A shoulder to cry on, a favor, help with a project. But the moment you need support, they are suddenly too busy, their phone is off, or they give you short, uninterested replies. They consume your time and energy but are rarely available to refill it. The action step here is to perform a simple friendship energy check. Think about the last few interactions. Did you mostly listen to their problems? Did you mostly offer them help? And when you shared your own struggle, did they quickly change the subject back to themselves? If the energy flow is consistently going only one way, you are looking at a one-way street. Sign number 2. They are never happy for your success. A true friend celebrates your victories as if they were their own. When you get a promotion, when you fall in love, when you achieve a goal, they are the first ones to call you, to take you out to celebrate. Their joy is genuine. A fake friend, however, will have a very different reaction. They might give you a weak, forced congratulations, followed immediately by a story about someone else who did something even better. Or they might make a backhanded compliment like, "Wow, finally! I'm surprised it took them so long to see how good you are." Or worse, they might simply go quiet and distance themselves from you. Your success becomes a mirror that shows them their own insecurities and failures, and they cannot handle it. Their jealousy becomes visible. Remember, my friend, someone who is not happy for you when you shine is not a friend of your light. Sign number 3. The constant critic, disguised as just being honest. Now, real friends will tell you the truth, but they do it with love, with compassion, and with a genuine intention to help you grow. A fake friend uses honesty as a weapon. They constantly criticize your choices, your appearance, your relationship, your dreams. They point out your flaws not to help you, but to make you feel small, to keep you in a place where they feel more comfortable. They say things like, "I'm just telling you this because I'm your friend," but the words feel like little cuts. After talking to them, you feel judged and insecure, not supported and loved. The action step is to ask yourself, after I talk to this person, do I feel empowered and uplifted, or do I feel criticized and diminished? Your true friends should make you feel like you can conquer the world, not like you need to hide from it. Number 4, they thrive on drama and gossip. If your friend is constantly surrounded by drama and is always gossiping about other people, please know this. If they talk to you about others, they are absolutely talking about you to others. A fake friend loves drama because it makes life more exciting for them. They love being the one who has the inside information. They will share other people's secrets with you, and this creates a toxic environment of mistrust. A true, mature friend handles conflict directly and respectfully. They don't involve the whole world. They protect their friends' reputations. They don't destroy them. If your friendship feels like an episode of a reality TV show, it's a sign that the foundation is not built on trust and respect. Sign number 5. The fair weather friend. This is a classic sign. A fair weather friend is there for you when the sun is shining and everything is easy and fun. They are your best friend at the party, on the vacation, during the good times. But the moment you hit a rough patch, the moment you go through a breakup, a family problem, a financial difficulty, they disappear. They are suddenly too busy to meet, too overwhelmed with their own life to listen to your problems. A true friend walks in when the rest of the world walks out. They are not afraid of your tears or your struggles. They bring you soup when you're sick. They sit with you in silence when you're sad. They are there for the storm, not just the sunshine. Sign number 6. You feel like you can't be your authentic self. With a true friend, you can relax. You can be silly. You can be vulnerable. You can share your weird thoughts and your biggest fears without judgment. With a fake friend, you feel like you have to perform. You have to be a certain version of yourself, a funnier version, a cooler version, a more successful version. You filter your thoughts because you're afraid they will judge you or make a sarcastic comment. This is exhausting. Friendship should be a place where you can take off your armor. If you feel like you constantly have to wear it, you are not in a safe, genuine friendship. Sign number 7. They are competitive, not collaborative. A true friend sees your life as a collaboration. They want both of you to win. A fake friend sees your life as a competition. If you buy a new car, they talk about the better car they're going to buy. If you talk about your happy relationship, they start talking about how their relationship is even better. They constantly try to one-up you. Their success seems to depend on them being ahead of you. In a healthy friendship, your friend's success inspires you. In a fake friendship, their success makes you feel secretly jealous or inadequate, and your success makes them feel the same way. It's a race that no one wins. Asterisk. Sign number 8. Your gut feeling tells you something is wrong. This is the most important sign of all. Deep down in your heart, you have a feeling, an intuition, that something is off. Maybe you feel anxious before you meet them. Maybe you feel drained and tired after you see them. We often ignore this feeling because we don't want to be unfair or because we have a long history with the person. But your intuition is your inner wisdom, and it is almost always right. It is picking up on all the small, subtle signs that your conscious mind is trying to rationalize. Trust that feeling. So, my dear friends, if you have recognized one or more of these signs in a friendship, what should you do? First, don't make a dramatic scene. You don't need to have a big friendship breakup conversation. The simplest and most powerful step is to gradually create space. Stop initiating contact. Be polite but busy. Put the same amount of energy into the friendship that they do. Often, the friendship will simply fade away naturally because it was never built on a solid foundation to begin with. Second, invest your time and love in the people who truly deserve it. Nurture the friendships that make you feel good. And finally, be the kind of friend you want to have. Be loyal, be supportive, be honest, and be kind. You attract what you are. I know this can be a painful topic. Realizing a friend is not who you thought they were is like a small loss. It's okay to grieve that. But please, see it as making space in your life for the true, incredible, loyal friends who are on their way to you. If this video helped you gain clarity and empowered you to protect your energy, please let me know by hitting that like button. And share your thoughts in the comments. Have you experienced any of these signs? What did you do? Your story could help someone else. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future talks. Remember, your energy is precious. Your peace is priceless. Choose to spend it on people who see your worth and remind you of your light. This is Mr. English Talks signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep surrounding yourself with genuine souls. Take care.